like the end is near. Saying I'm blind if I don't feel the fear, but I don't bow to the fires you light. I want more than shadows in the dead of night. Don't scare me down, don't shame me or fall in light. I'm looking for the truth, not stories just to shine. Give me facts I can't stand on, reasons to stay strong. If you're only selling fear, I know where I belong. You call it a crisis, a last chance plea, but where's the proof you can show to me? I'm tired of the noise of the sky falling down, of solutions that crash when they hit the ground. Don't scare me down, don't shame me to fall in line. I'm looking for the truth, not stories just to shine. Give me facts I can't stand on, reasons to stay strong. If you're only selling fear, I know where I belong. Yeah, I want talk that's clear, plans that hold. I won't buy in just to do what I'm told. If there's a path worth walking, lay it out right. Give me truth, not the shadows of fright. You say it's duty, a moral call, but that don't shake me, I've seen it all. Give me answers that stand the test, not just cries are better without the rest. Don't scare me down, don't shame me to fall in line. I'm looking for the truth, not stories just to shine. Give me facts I can't stand on, reasons to stay strong. If you're only selling fear, I know where I belong. I've heard it loud and I've heard it clear, but if it's real, then show me here. No high talk, no flashing lights, just solid ground, not a world of mine. Don't scare me down, don't shame me to fall in line. I'm looking for the truth, not stories just to shine. Give me facts I can't stand on, reasons to stay strong. If you're only selling fear, I know where I belong. So bring me reason, don't bring the storm. Bring ideas that'll keep us warm. We'll walk the road, not alone, not in fright. Stand for truth in the clear day's light. When fear fades away, reason grows bright. We'll be here grounded in that clear day's light.